How to tell if someone blocked you on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and it will lead you directly to your home page, right? There's actually a checklist there. So the first thing that you want to check if someone blocked you is to, of course, search for that person. Now, if you cannot search that person, that is one way you can tell that that person has blocked you. Now, to actually recheck it is you have to search it in your account here, that person. Now, if you cannot see that person, you can use or ask someone or another account to search for that person. Now, person's name comes out, that means that person actually blocked you. So the other thing or the other way that you can tell if somebody blocked you on Facebook is you cannot actually message them. And basically that is how you tell if someone blocked you on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.